Now we're going to fit the truss rod. This is just a wheel type one. I've set this up parallel to centre line off this fence. It's just something I've attached to my bench, and I'll leave it here permanently to do this. So we'll just run a laminate trimmer through and start this going. Okay, I'll do a few more of these passes, get this down to depth, and then we'll change cutters just for the wider part. Okay, we've got the main part down to depth. I'm just going to change cutters now, and we can set the rest of this in. We just need a wider cutter to go through this piece. Okay, that's routed out this section here. All we need to do now is set the wheel in itself. So that will go, we just need to take a tiny bit out for this wheel, and then we can start on the fretboard. Okay, that's all fitted now. As you can see on that end, that just sits up a little bit, and that will sit just below the fretboard when we fit it around it. So we'll move on to the fretboard now. Okay, the truss rod's all done now. I've put 3 pins in here so we can locate this fretboard. Squash down on it, and we can mark the back of it and then put it on the bandsaw and cut it out. Then we can basically glue it on. So I'll start doing that now. I've just squashed this on to its pins and marked round it. We'll put it on the bandsaw now and cut it out to its shape. Okay, we'll pop this through the bandsaw. Okay, we can glue that up now. Okay, here we are the next morning. I ran out of battery last night on the recorder, so anyway, as you can see, I've glued this up, and we'll take this apart now and see how it's come out. Everything seems to have come out okay on that. We can put this over the router table now, clean it up, and then we can put some dots in it and the side dots. I've just roughly trimmed out the end here, and we'll put a template over that and just clean this out to match the bottom. Right, I'm just going to put this on the sander and take some of this down just to help it out when it goes around the router table, to make sure nothing splinters out. Well, that should, with any luck, just help us out as we go around the table to make sure nothing splinters out.